Designing the invisible. Every angle is calculated to deflect radar waves away. Supercomputers simulate air molecules at Mach speeds to ensure perfect stability.
Silence is key. In the anechoic chamber, we measure the jet's radar signature.
Specialized materials are engineered to absorb, not reflect, electromagnetic energy. Product focus: radar-absorbent material domain.
Precision is measured in microns. The mold defines the jet's lethal silhouette.
Lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel. Carbon fiber is the jet's backbone.
Robots ensure every millimeter of the composite skin is applied with zero defects. Under extreme heat and pressure, the layers fuse into a single, indestructible shell.
We look through the skin using ultrasound to ensure there are no hidden flaws.
Lasers trim the edges to a perfect fit, leaving no room for radar leaks. Deep inside, a titanium skeleton provides the strength to pull 9G maneuvers.
The marriage of the airframe. Every joint must be perfectly flush.
The engine is tucked away, its heat signature masked by specialized cooling.
Miles of fiber optics act as the nervous system, processing data at light speed. Rugged landing gear built to withstand the force of a carrier deck landing.
This isn't just paint. It's a secret radar-absorbent coating that eats radio waves.
Even a loose screw can be seen on radar. Every gap is sealed by hand.
A thin layer of gold on the canopy prevents radar from seeing the pilot's helmet.
Systems online. The most advanced war machine ever built is ready.
Perfect balance is required for the fly-by-wire system to master the skies.
No enemy can hide. No target is safe. No target is safe.
Power unleashed. 200,000 pounds of thrust at the pilot's command.
Invisible to radar, but a sight to behold. Taking flight into the unknown.
Stealth achieved. Mastering the art of invisibility. Thanks for watching DMD Process.